Today we are going to talk about Ansible troubleshooting, specifically about permission denied error number 13. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. The best way of talking about Ansible troubleshooting is to jump in a live demo to show you practically the permission denied error number 13 error and how to solve it. Are you ready? Let's have fun! Welcome to my editor. I will show you one simple reproduce based on the customization of system-wide environmental variable. Let's begin our playbook with a name of a play set environment demo that is going to target host all of our inventory. Gather facts is set to false because we don't need this overhead. Let me define a variable OS environment that is going to contain some key and value of a system-wide environment variable. For example, I'm setting the key editor to the value vi. Yes, I'm a fan. What else? Let me define some task list tasks. Here we go. Okay, first we need a name that will be customized /etc/environment. This is the name of the file. I'm going to use ansible.builtin.lining file. Oh, line, pardon. Destination is the name of a file to modify, so /etc/environment. And what else? The state of a single line need to be present. And let me add also some tips. I'm going to search for regular expression, so regexp, all the lines that start with the value of item.key. So I'm going to match every line with a key and equal. Here we go. And I'm going to substitute each of these lines with item.key. Yes, here we go. Equal item.value. We want to match item key with value. No. Okay, and I'm going to loop with items os underscore environment. So this is my simple Ansible reproducer to verify the permission denied error. But you can use a lot of other situations. I think that will be easy to have only one task to troubleshoot. Don't you think so? But let's move on to the terminal to see the error. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect to the target machine to verify the remote variable. So let me connect via SSH, DevOps is the username, at demoexample.com. sudo su because this file is owned by root, so let me cut etc environment, file is empty as expected. So let me execute my Ansible Playbook and specify inventory of the demo machine and also the playbook reproducer. So get ready, we are going to see a lot of red, and here we go. Okay, so there is a fatal error, which means Ansible is not able to move forward. Specifically, if you read, there are the permission denied error number 13. And going deep is the destination directory /etc is not writable by the current user, which means the user that is running on Ansible is not able to enter in /etc, and which user I am using is DevOps, but etc is a root property only, so we need to switch to root using Ansible privilege escalation. How to do it? Let's go to our terminal and I will show you. Back on my editor, how to set the privilege escalation to root user is so simple. We are talking only about one line of code at play level and we need to set become to true. So this simple line tells Ansible to switch from normal user to root user and hopefully is going to fix the problem. Do you want to see? Let's return to our terminal. Where was we? Yes, to this red wall. Let me execute now the fixing playbook with Ansible-playbook command line utility. Let me specify also the inventory and my fixing playbook. At this time, I'm expecting no red message. Oh, it's super fast and we get a change status, which means some changes were effectively happen on the target machine. So I would like to double check just for curiosity with connecting via SSH DevOps username demo example.com. Let me switch to root and cat/etc environment. Here we go. Editor VI is properly set, which means that we were able to fix this permission denied error. Basically, we didn't fix the error, we just connected with the right user with the right permission. So it's not only to avoid the error, it's just understanding how the things works and apply the correct resolution method. A lot of time happen that a long playbook has this type of error and is very difficult to troubleshoot. So focus on the error message will guide you what are the right and the required permission in each directory. Sometimes it's going to take some time, but I'm sure that you will sort it out somehow. Now you know how to troubleshoot the Ansible error permission denied error number 13. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to share your feedback or maybe give me a thumbs up, you know how to do it. So thank you so much and see us on the next adventure of Ansible Pilot. And have a great day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.